So today I will be tasting the Mexi Crave snack box. I haven't opened it yet, but it did come with some Cheetos and some Tostitos. Let's get right into it. So I'm gonna do the Cheetos first because I already have them. And it looks like a fiery red ball. So I expect it to be a little spicy. It's good, but it's not really too spicy. But this one says extra flaming hot Cheeto. Ooh, I'm a little scared now, but I'm also very excited. These are so good. I don't think they're hotter than the ones we get here though. I really like the flavor on these though. Let's see what this is about. That looks like a lot of spice. Oh, that was spice. Do we have these in the USA? I've never seen these. So you can definitely taste the chili lime. These are really good. So I've had flaming hot Cheetos, so those were not exciting, but the first ones were, and these are yummy. So we're gonna get into this box, you guys, and see what's in it. Lots of goodies in here, right? Some of these look the same. Like, I don't know what these are, but we're gonna get into it. I don't even know where to start. Okay, this has like 4. It's got like original, extra spicy, watermelon, and mango. Pulparingo. Yes. Well, this is interesting. It has the texture of sand. No bueno. Let's do extra spicy. Watch, I'm gonna cry. Oh yeah, I can see the spice on this. This is like tahini. Okay, the flavor is better on this one. I don't know about the texture. Watermelon. This is the last one. I can't do this texture. If it weren't for the texture, this would be good. This is adorable. It says, I am feeling fine. Get it? Filling. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna find out. Oh, okay. It's like a hard candy. Well, that's an interesting shade. This is good. It's just like a hard candy. This is yummy. It's good. I'd eat it. So I know what this is. I've had it before. I do not like this. That paste. Oh, I'm not eating it. I know I don't like this one. Chocolate. Better roast that chocolate. Oh, look, it's crumbling on me. I don't know what happened. Oh. It's good. It's a shame because this is good. Gansito. Is that like a duck with chucks and a flannel shirt? Oh. It's like a Twinkie kind of like, oh, look at that. Went down my boob. This is pretty tasty. Vero mango. It says, hey, good looking. Chili pepper powdered covered mango lollipops. Okay. This is yummy. I love putting tahini on my actual mangoes or my watermelons and stuff, so yeah, that's what this reminds me of. I like it. I don't know how I feel about this liquidy stuff. I'm scared. Okay, it's actually much better than it looks. Do you just eat this like this? Do you put it on a cracker, on a cookie? It's pretty good. It's better than it looks. I actually like that one better. So we have the San Pablo milk candy wafer. It looks like I'm eating. Is there paper stuck to it? This is the wafer? No. It can't be a wafer. That tastes like paper. So if you haven't noticed by now, I'm kind of weird with certain textures, and this is like paper-like. I don't like it. Carlos V by Nestle. So it's a chocolate bar. I love chocolate, so let's see. Simple, but good. So I had a fear that this was gonna be like this, and I don't like this one. Ugh. Oh, I can't, you guys. I can't do the paste. I don't know. I know it's so popular. I can't do the paste. It's a texture thing. Weirds me out. Chico milk candy bar. Okay. I don't know. We're going to try it. This is tasty. I like this. I have two of these. One of them looks like grape. One's like strawberry. Let's try the grape. It's like a chewy candy, but I think there's that gushing thing in the middle. Gum. Oh, that's cool. Really good. All right, I know this is just gonna be like salt and spice and, all right, this is where I might cry on camera. It has like sand on my teeth. I guess you just have to swallow it, not really chew on it. You just... So the taste is actually not bad on this, and quite a lot of them, for me, it's a texture issue. Boo Boo Lubu? Marshmallow and strawberry with chocolate coating. That sounds like it's got potential to me. That's very sweet though. That is intense, but it's good. We're gonna go to Della Rosa. I've actually had these before, and they're good. They're like peanutty. They're just good. Praline covered peanuts. Yum. They're good. The mega, this is like the mega spicy arrow, apparently. You know, it's funny. I love Mexico. I've been to Mexico so many times, but I've never really had any snacks over there. I just eat, you know, my meals and that's it. This looks like it's gonna be pretty spicy. Oh. Oh yeah, I feel it. I feel the kick. Whoo. Fuego. Racaleta, 4 layers of chili, and then a gum at the center. And then watermelon with chili. This is one of my favorite combinations. So I think I'm gonna do this one first. Lots of chili. You love your chili over there. So yeah, this is. It's got a kick. So this is watermelon and a bag of chili powder, basically. I'm excited but nervous. That went down my boob. It's like tahini, but it's not. I want to get to the watermelon. Oh, that is spicy. Ah! This So my mouth is definitely getting on fire. And you're probably supposed to keep dipping this in the chili powder, but I can't have more chili. But this is good. So I know this is not gonna be spicy. I seen it. It's the Gushing Bubble Gum, which I love. This is the strawberry flavor. I'm really excited to put this in my mouth because it's on fire. Mexico, I love you. Not sure about all your snacks, but I really did enjoy some of them. And I always have a good time when I go to Mexico. I'll be going there soon. Woo-hoo. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my other videos, and I'll see you next time.